Hi all, in this video I am going to discuss object-oriented programming concepts. Here I am going to explain each concept using a real-world example. The first, what is O? Object-oriented programming. As name suggests, it uses objects in programming. Here, the implementation of software is based on the concepts of objects. This approach is very close to the real world application. And these are the six pillars or concepts of object oriented programming, that is, object, class, polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, and abstraction. Let us see one by one. The first one, objects. Objects are real world entities. So whatever things we see in real world, that is treated as objects. Examples: person, bank, company, customers, pen, etc. So the every object has two properties. The first one, attribute. It represents the data of an object. And the second one, the functionality. It represents the task performed by an object. Let us consider an example. Here, the pen is an object. Then, what are the attributes of this pen? The name, color, size, etc. And what are the tasks performed by this pen? Writing, reading, etc. Okay, so object is a real world entity. Hope you understood. The next concept is class. A class is a blueprint that objects follows. A class is a template for creating objects. So another definition is it is a generalized description of an object. Once a class has been defined, we can create any number of objects belonging to that class. Let us see an example. So in this example, you will get the clear idea about how class and objects are connected. So here, the student is a class. It consists of the following attributes such as student name, age, color, sex. And the students can perform the following tasks such as eating, drinking, running. So we know that the class is a blueprint that objects follows. So a class consists of the number of students. Then every student we treated as a objects. So every student follow the same structure. Okay. So here the student class consists of three objects: John, Sophia, and Lily. And this John objects consist of name, age, color, sex. Here the name of student is John. And also the Sophia object consists of name, age, color, sex. And the Lily object consists of name, age, color, sex. And all these student object should perform this task also: eating, drinking, and running. Okay, so a class is a blueprint that objects follow. An object is a instance of class. The next concept is encapsulation. Just see this diagram of capsule. So the medicine inside this capsule is protected by an external coating, right? So this is the concept of encapsulation. That is the wrapping up of data and the function into a single unit. This unit is known as class. Here we protecting our data using class. So everything we return inside the class. It is also known as information hiding. Okay, the next concept, data abstraction. Consider this real world example. This is a ATM machine. As a customer, we all performing the operation on ATM machine like cash withdrawal, money transfer, retrieve mini statement, etc. But we can't know the internal details about this ATM, right? We just want to know how to withdraw cash and money transfer. So this is a data abstraction. That is showing only the essential parts, hiding the implementation details. Showing only the essential parts, hiding the implementation details. And the next concept, polymorphism. It is the performing the same task in different ways. Means ability to take more than one form. Let us see this example. Here, a single person can act as a father, husband, employee, customer. That is, the same person possesses the different behavior in different situation. This is called polymorphism, ability to take more than one form. Okay, and the last concept, inheritance. The inheritance is process by which acquiring the properties of one class to another class. Simply we can say that here a parent class and a child class. This child class acquiring the properties of parent class, and the parent class is known as base class or superclass, and this child class is known as subclass or derived class. Actually, this inheritance is a parent child relationship. That is, a child can acquire the properties of parent. So, consider this example. Here, a class vehicle. It consists of three methods: fuel amount, capacity, apply, brakes. And from this class, we can derive bus, car, truck. And these class access these methods, that is fuel amount, capacity, apply, brakes. Okay, this is a inheritance. This is all about OOP concepts. I hope all got clear idea about OOP concepts. Thank you.